Both of
supposed
you.
to meet at?
Shut up! Both of you. Your addresses on the damn file are confidential. I have no frickin' clue where everything's going.
Okay.
Oh, no, this one I know what I'm going to do on. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Wrong one. I was thinking of the wrong one. I was thinking of Sinclair. Okay. Good morning. We are here in the matter of Swain versus Sandifer, case number 17-09984DS. We are here. This is your motion, Mr. Sandifer. What do you have to add to it?
I don't have anything to add to it.
All right, Ms. Swain, we didn't receive a response from you. What's going on? I mean, we've got a court order for parenting time. It should be complied with, ma'am.
Sir, he has not tried to get him at all. Every time I call, his phone is met with a generic voicemail like it's off. His mom has been trying to contact him for about 2 months because I've been reaching out to her to ask have she heard from him. The first time I'm ever hearing that we're supposed to be meeting at a Citgo gas station on 44th and Division was when I got this letter. And if that's
the exchange
case,
location, the exchange location is in the order dated March 8th, 2021. The exchange location under number 6 on page 4, unless otherwise agreed in advance, the location of exchange shall be a Citgo gas station located at 4405 Division. So that's in the court order itself.
yes.
And that's where you meet.
When he went to court, I didn't go to that court meeting. It was like an argument or whatever, and the man had kicked me out of the court when it was the original court agreement.
Okay.
So the first time that I'm hearing or have knowledge
no,
that
it's not the first time. You got copies of the court order, correct?
I don't. The first time I'm reading is when I just got this paper. But irregardless, sir,
yeah.
If he's meeting on 44th and Division, does he have any text messages of him asking me where I'm at?
I don't know.
On my way?
Have
I not been there?
That's not my question. My question is, I need the court order complied with.
And I'm telling you, sir, he does not try to get him at all.
All right. Well, then show up at the Citgo station and take a picture of the time and show that he's not there.
And I will moving forward because now I have knowledge that we're supposed to be.
Now, do you have a copy of this order?
Now I do. It came in the mail with this court date.
Because the court sent it to you when it was issued. So I'm not.
I don't have it.
Okay. Well, now you said you have it. So let's comply with it, please. All right.
Yes, I will. So what do I do when he's not complying with it? Because
that's when you that's when you can file to hold him in contempt for not showing up. And if he doesn't show up 3 or 4 times, I may start deleting the parenting time that he has.
I beg him to get him. I want him to get him. So
and then show up to get him.
Today is the weekend. Is he going to get him today?
Well, it says that it's on Saturdays, I believe, correct?
I thought it was every other weekend.
Yeah, every other weekend. And hold on, I had the order and then I lost the order. Forgive me. It's buried in the file. So I had my finger on it and I moved my finger. And let me see. The order says that it would be weekends, every other weekend, beginning Saturday at noon until Sunday at 5. And then it goes on to label holidays and stuff. So yeah, if you want, start tomorrow. Both of you show up at the Citgo station. Both of you show up at the Citgo station at noon on Saturday. All right.
Okay. And then what do I do when he does not want to release? Sorry. Can I talk? What do I do?
Yeah.
When he does not want to give him back to me at 5 because
the court order says that he must give that child back to you at 5. And if he doesn't
does
comply
not,
with
then
it,
what do I do?
May I speak, please? Because she's not telling the truth at all.
Well, hold on, sir. I asked her because I didn't get a response. You already said you didn't have anything to add. I will let you respond, but let me hear what she has to say first. Okay. The court order is very clear. It's Saturday at noon to Sunday at 5. He's got to comply with the court order just as much as you do. When I issue an order saying that the court order of this date will be complied with, it means both of you comply. And if one of you is not complying, you file the appropriate paperwork with the court, and the court will deal with the non-compliance.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that works out great for me
Okay.
because
All
I
right,
would
good.
love for
Well,
him to get him because my son
then
wants to
show up
go.
tomorrow at Saturday. Mr. Sandifer, what did you want to add?
He's not telling the truth.
Okay.
I haven't seen my son since July 24th. That's
Understood.
already in the motion. I tried to get him.
No, we have a motion to show cause on February 12th.
Yes,
That's
and
what
I've
that's going to deal
actually
with.
filed multiple other motions
Right.
regarding this case. I would like to get him for 209 days because she's never dropping them off. Or when I
we're
meet
not
her,
here on makeup time. We are here on enforcing this order, and I'm going to enforce the order.
yes, but I would like
Get
more
it done.
days with my child. The court order is here, and it's only saying that I get 65 days out of the year, and me and her agreed that I get
I
them
did not
for
agree
school
with
break.
him.
You're lying.
Right now, we are here with a court order to enforce a court order. Let's get the order enforced and then see how that goes. And maybe in 3 or 4 months, you apply to
So
increase
I
it.
have to keep waiting.
I'm telling you to show up tomorrow at noon.
I do show up. That's what I'm trying
Well,
to
then
tell
show
you.
up, and
She's
ma'am,
not telling the
I'm
truth.
ordering you to show up,
Third,
and that's what we're going to deal with at the show cause hearing. If she's not
I will.
complying with the court order,
I have
there
more
are consequences
motions.
for that.
I have more court dates coming up
Right.
soon regarding this case, as far as
Yes.
support and with parenting time. Me and her both agreed in the summer that I get him for school breaks, holidays. She has not been compliant at all.
Well,
I shouldn't have to keep filing motions if
right
she's not
now,
listening.
right now, the court order is what it is. You
So how
follow
do
the
I
court
change the
order.
court order?
You have to have a
That's
change. You have
that's
to have a
what
change of. You have to have a change of circumstance. Right now, we're here to enforce it because it hasn't been enforced. So I'm enforcing what the court order is.
So
To
is this
change
the
it takes
parenting time form that I signed at
the motion
FOC?
before the motion before the court is, as you stated, you're not seeing the child and you want to see the child. You want the order enforced.
Yes, and I have a parenting complaint form.
Yes, that is set for March. That is set for February 12th.
So is that the date that we can change the court order? Like
No.
how do I change the court order? I've been
Let's see
trying
if
to
we can
change
get,
the order for 4 years.
let's see if we can get the order complied with first.
It haven't been for 4 years, sir. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
And what
I
I'm trying
have
to
to
tell
keep
you is we
waiting
got
and not seeing my son because we have to keep waiting and she's
Did I
not
just say that I'm
comply with
enforcing
me.
the court order? Show up at noon tomorrow, both of you.
I
That way
will
you
be
get your
there
son.
to drop him off. I have a couple questions, sir.
Aisha, you keep lying to these people. You have not gave me my son. I have not seen him since July 24th.
You can have him. I beg you to get him. You can get him.
How are you begging?
I will be there tomorrow
You do
at
not
12
call
o'clock.
me. I do not like talking.
All right, enough.
My son is 9 years old.
Enough.
He can explain.
This is not a discussion between two of you. You talk to me.
I have a question.
Y'all not helping. Y'all not helping at all. I've been dealing with this for years and nobody's helping. Nobody's helping. Nobody's helping. And you are lying.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, his address is supposed to be 4609.
That's the mailing address that we're supposed to meet at.
Shut up! Both of you. Your addresses on the damn file are confidential. I have no freaking clue where everything's going.
Okay, I'm asking for a reason, sir.
He can have a mailing address. He does not have to give you the address.
No, I understand that. No, I don't want his address, sir. What I'm trying to tell you is that the place where he is staying, and this is the issue, I want to know, what do I have to do in this situation? He lives with a girl and they have a lot of domestic violence disputes.
You have an investigation for fraud right now.
All right, I'm done. I've dealt with the motion that is before the court. We're enforcing the parenting time. Follow through with it. We will talk at a later time about increasing it, sir. Let's get it started.
Thank you. I will be there.
Right now, all I want to do is get it started.
Okay.
Be there tomorrow and comply with the order every other week. And whatever else is in that order. All right.
Thank you.
Have a good morning. Take care of yourselves.